Okay, thank you, ladies and gents. For those who will be receiving trophies and awards today, let's take a quick that we avoid confusion. For those who will be receiving awards, let's take a quick dry run such that we can see. But what will you lekatola hanyane? Lekatola hanyane but what will you? Teacher ha e bua hangata e batla o mamelwa. Thank you very much. Right, let's take a quick dry run for how those who will be receiving awards ought to ascend the stage. There's an order in how we do things such that we do not cause any confusion. So when your name is called or the name of the school is called, you will ascend the stage to my left, which is probably your right. You ascend the stage to my left and you descend this side. Okay, so for the ugliest man of the year, the award goes to Thabang Mokgosi. He ascends the stage, he's smiling, he's happy, he greets the MEC and the district director. They are proud of him. Beautiful. Right, stand there, Thabang, stand there. Now, these trophies are fragile and expensive. It's important that you hold them at the base, such that you don't hold it at the head and your hands are sweating because you're probably shaking the hand of the MEC for the first time, right? Okay, let's do that one more time. And the award for the fattest man of the year goes to Thabang Mokgosi. He accepts the certificate, shakes the MEC. Eskumbi must be feeling proud to be a mannequin for the MEC today. Shakes the hand, goes to the back of the seat. We wait until we have 8, 9, 10 people there. We pause for a photo. You descend on the right. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, let's get our cell phones on silent or vibration mode. There's so many of us here today. If all our phones will start ringing, it's a problem. There are circuit managers amongst us. Skolo sa cha. Hey, this and that. So, if our phones start ringing, it's a problem. They are very busy people. These are very busy people. NSNP monitors in our presence, very busy people. Principals, baruti bateng. It's like Montebello, Hosani ke sonta. Rona ba holo ba kereke, ke matsatsi a rona busy. Bana beso le batle e ka re letswa Singapore ko re le apere diaparo tsa Singapore ka jeno le batle haholo. The district director and the MECs are just taking photos such that we make this event memorable. I am waiting for an indication any moment now, but I'm going to request your indulgence that when they enter, we all stand up just as a sign of respect, nothing much, just as a sign of respect. That's who we are in Motheo Education District. And then when they reach their table, we will remain standing for the national anthem. Only after that, we will sit down. Rangwani? Is the cell phone on silent or vibration mode? Tata mafaya ntuisa Rangwane hle. Tuisa Rangwane. I want to repeat that one because often you'll announce these things to say cell phones on silent or vibration mode. Somehow, hoba le phone yella. If it's Nokia 3310, rather switch it off. If it's Nokia 3310, please switch it off. They will understand that you were at the Motheo Education District Well Done function. Ladies and gents, we are also streaming live on the Free State Department of Education Facebook page. We are streaming live on the Free State Department of Education Facebook page. So tell a friend, tell a cousin, tell a spouse or a spouse that you are on the Free State Department of Education Facebook page. Ha se kaofela re kgonang ho hlaha TV-ing jwale bonyane bo re ka bo etsang ko re hlahe Facebook-ung bonyane toch Erinet o tshe jwalo ka ekare o well done functioning, you must nicely Renette, composure, have some demeanor to it, you know. You must, I don't know what the two gentlemen are doing to you there. Skumbi, stop it. Any moment now, any moment, we will begin. But such that I don't waste my breath and this enchanting voice, Marnas, give us some advertorial.
I'm the chairperson of this foundation. I'm doing third year in geometrics.
Hi, I'm engineering.
Hi, my name is Isabel Mkhele. I'm doing civil engineering and this is my first year.
Hi, I'm Kitumet Sabula and I'm doing my first year in civil engineering.
Hi, I'm Kekele Tsomokosu. I'm doing first year in electrical engineering.
Hi, my name is Zayuka and I'm doing my second year in electrical engineering.
I am doing electrical engineering, described as the study, application, practice, and design. This degree, I am hoping to be a machine learning engineer.
Hello, my name is Nkota Tupani and I'm doing bachelor degree in marine engineering. This is my first.
Hello, my name is Gifilo Matita. I'm a student wellness advisor in our foundation. I'm doing my second year in geomatics, but I'm streaming in GIS. What I plan to do with my degree is to help create land use back at home. What I've realized is that GIS is mostly in Cape Town and also Pretoria. So I'd like to implement that back at home.
And I'm a first year student doing chemical engineering.
My name is Kamoelo Mokheti and I'm doing my first year in bachelor degree of technology in civil engineering. Civil engineering is a kind of engineering that deals with designs, construction and maintenance of infrastructures such as...
I am Tavas Betwani. I'm the project founder of Stockholm Foundation. This project was established in 2020 after realizing that a lot of learners from the Free State are not choosing engineering as their first option. We know that engineering is one of the critical degrees. This project started actually in Botshabelo, whereby I influenced the learners in technical school, especially the one in Nyokala Tutu, to choose engineering as their first option. Learners Cape Town here study at various universities across Cape Town. Some of them study at CPUT, some of them at UCT, some are also at Stellenbosch. They're choosing courses like geomatics, they're choosing courses in construction, civil engineering, chemical, we can name all engineering degrees. The reason why we started the project is because we want learners that are innovators, critical thinkers, and complex problem solvers in the future, especially the challenges that faces engineering in the Free State. And one of the learners that I've discussed this issue with is a first year student from the Nyokala who's actually concerned about the pit latrines that is found in Botshabelo. And the idea behind him doing civil engineering is this beautiful idea that is going to share with the world on how to eradicate pit latrines with these engineering thoughts. This answers the question whereby everybody is asking, how can scientific and industrial breakthroughs be accelerated to improve the human conditions, especially the ones of the people in Botshabelo or Free State in particular. So we are proud as a project that we have over 100 learners in engineering in Cape Town who are studying fields in engineering and science who are able to have a future or shape their future in order to change the lives and livelihoods of people in Botshabelo. And I'm proud as a project founder that this project is running without funding. It's funding itself because we have dedicated learners who are able to assist other students. How do you assist our students? We do have a mentorship program that assists them to adjust to the university environment, but also this year we are planning also to have classes in order to support these learners academically in order for them to achieve good results. Last year, the project was growing. We had people who achieved good results and some did not do well, but we are planning on improving that. And this year we have about 7 learners doing final year in engineering, and some of them are planning to go back to the Free State and plow back with their skills so that at least we can improve our province. Thank you.
I will be at Muteo's Well Done function this coming Saturday. Where will you be?
I'll be at the Muteo District Well Done function. Will you?
I will be at Muteo District Well Done function. Will you?
I will be at the Muteo District Well Done function. Will you?
I will be at Muteo Education District Well Done function. Will you?
I will be at the Muteo Well Done function. Will you?
Be at the Muteo Education District Well Done function. Will you be?
Be at the Muteo Well Done function this Saturday. Will you?
I will be at the Muteo Education District Well Done function. Will you?
I will be at Muteo Education District Well Done function. Will you?